Good evening, my name is Michelle Vella. I'm the principal here at James Monroe Middle School. Welcome to Open House.
Good evening, James Monroe families and students. My name is Trini Gallegos and I'm the assistant principal here at James Monroe. We are so excited to have you back in person this school year. Enjoy Open House.
Hey guys, welcome to Open House. My name is Mr. Hendricks. I am one of the deans of students here. If your student is having trouble, you need to get a hold of somebody to get help. My door is always open. Please contact me. My email is hendricks, HENDRIX, @aps.edu. Thank you.
Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Lopez, one of the deans here at James Monroe Middle School. I'm also a student success advisor, and so if your kids need anything, they always come to me in my office, which is in the counselor's office as well. And welcome to Open House.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Angel and I'm the 6th grade counselor here at James Monroe Middle School. I want to personally welcome you to our open house for the 2021-2022 school year.
Hey Raptors, I'm Miss Perez. I'm the 7th grade counselor here at James Monroe. I hope you guys have a fantastic night at our virtual open house.
Hi everybody, I'm Miss Barbara. I'm the 8th grade counselor. I'm here in the counseling office. Come see me if you need to talk. Bye.
Hi there, I'm Denise Dockendorf and I am the head special ed teacher here at James Monroe Middle School. If your student is either in a gifted program or a student with a disability, then I will be contacting you to schedule an IEP meeting. I will be at the meeting, and if you need anything in this regard, please contact me. When you call the school, if you press 4 when it gets to the phone menu, it'll get you right to my office. Thanks.
Students, welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. We are so excited to have everyone back on campus this year. My name is Miss Johnson and I'm the testing coordinator here at James Monroe.
Hi Raptors, if you need to purchase a new ID, you can get them at A and B lunch only. They cost $5.